Alright guys, so we got a short video today right here on Polygon angle sum theorem. Okay, so the theorem tells us that the sum of the interior angles, that means the angles on the inside, okay, of a polygon is going to be 180 times n minus 2, where n is the number of sides of the polygon. Okay, so right here, for example, on this polygon, we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So our formula tells us to do 180 times the number of sides, which is 10 minus 2. So that's 180 times 8. Okay, so you do 180 times 8, and you should get 1440. So that means the sum of all of these angles in here, okay, the sum of all of these we know is going to be 1440. We don't necessarily know what each one of them is, but we know the sum is going to be 1440. Okay, so for this next shape, we're going to do the same thing. 180 times however many sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 minus 2. So that's 180 times 5. 5 times 180 is going to give us 900. So we know the sum of the interior angles there is 900 degrees. All right, so now the measure of each interior angle of a regular n-gon. When we say n-gon, we just mean, if it's 20-gon, that means it's a 20-sided polygon. If it's 15-gon, that means it's a 15-sided polygon. Okay, so the measure of each interior angle of a regular n-gon is going to be 180 minus 360 divided by n. Okay, so the way you know what each individual angle on the inside is you take the number of sides, divide 360 by, and then subtract it from 180. And that'll tell you what the individual angle on the inside is. So this angle right here, how much they actually are going to be. Or you can just think of taking the formula that we use for the sum, okay, and dividing it by n. So you could just take the formula we've already got and divide that by the number of sides you have. Okay, and that'll also tell you what the individual interior angle is going to be. Okay, so let's scroll down, look at the next thing. So we're talking now about exterior angles. So you can draw exterior angles at any vertex of a polygon. Here's how you draw an exterior angle. Just extend a line out. So that would give you, this would be your exterior angle right here. Or you could extend this one out. So then this would be your exterior angle. Or you could extend this one out. This would be your exterior angle. However you want to do it, those are examples of exterior angles. Okay, so you can do that on any polygon. Of course, on this one, it would be something like this. Okay, so another theorem that we know is the polygon exterior angle sum theorem. So basically, what we know with this theorem is that the sum of the measures of the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degrees. Always. No matter how many sides it has, it's always going to total 360 degrees, these exterior angles, if you add up all of the ones from each intersection, each vertex. Okay, so for this pentagon right here, okay, the sum of angle 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 we know is going to be 360. Okay, but they say to find one exterior angle, so all you've got to do is take 360 and divide it by n, the number of angles you have. So in this situation, it would be 360 divided by 5, and 360 divided by 5 gives us 72 degrees. So we know then that each of these is 72 degrees whenever it's a regular polygon. All right, and that's basically it. So appreciate your all's time. Let's go ahead and practice a little bit.